Chinese heavy-duty trucks have undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years. Once considered to be of lower quality and less competitive compared to international counterparts, they have now become a significant threat to top global truck companies. One astonishing aspect of Chinese trucks is their rapid technological advancement. Chinese truck manufacturers have heavily invested in research and development to create intelligent trucks equipped with advanced autonomous systems and sensors. This has enhanced safety and performance significantly. Another unbelievable fact is the prevalence of electric trucks. China has taken the lead in developing and manufacturing some of the world's top electric trucks. These trucks not only reduce greenhouse gas emissions, but also lower fuel consumption and operating costs. Furthermore, Chinese truck manufacturers are renowned for their mass production capabilities and affordability. They have captured the market for budget-friendly trucks and provide diverse options for customers worldwide. This has disrupted traditional competitors and sent shockwaves throughout the global trucking industry. Another remarkable achievement is the production of gigantic trucks with superior cargo carrying capabilities. Chinese heavy-duty trucks are not just capable of transporting heavy loads, but can also handle bulky and challenging cargo with ease. This has made them attractive to logistics companies worldwide. In summary, incredible facts about Chinese heavy-duty trucks include their remarkable technological progress, the proliferation of electric trucks, mass production capabilities, affordability, and their ability to transport challenging cargo. These achievements have exceeded expectations and sparked a revolution in the global trucking industry.
Welcome to the next video on my YouTube channel. Let's follow the interesting and thrilling situations in this video and leave a comment below.
But is that true? What we always wonder about is whether Chinese-made heavy trucks have their true value. In this video, we will also see pictures of Chinese trucks. Chinese-made trucks have undergone rapid development in recent decades and have become an essential part of the global market. However, like any product, they also have some common issues and challenges. Quality of materials. Some Chinese trucks may use subpar materials, leading to quick deterioration and breakdowns. This can affect the durability and safety of the vehicle. Insufficient quality control during the manufacturing process. There may be issues with insufficient quality control, resulting in the production of trucks with hidden defects that are challenging to detect before use. Outdated technology and design. Some Chinese products may employ outdated technology and design compared to international competitors. This can reduce the performance and features of the trucks.
我爱人间一番俗，邀月饮尽一杯无，尝不尽这世间离别苦，奈何红颜天命毒，尘世淹没英雄骨。
Safety concerns. Some Chinese trucks have faced safety-related issues, such as not meeting international safety standards or using unsafe materials. Poor customer support, providing after-sales customer support for Chinese-made trucks may not always meet the expectations of international customers. long lead times, some customers have experienced difficulties when trying to purchase trucks from China due to long lead times and transportation-related issues. Environmental concerns. Certain Chinese trucks may not adhere to emission standards and may not be fuel efficient, contributing negatively to the environment. it's essential to note that there are many reliable and high-quality Chinese truck manufacturers. However, when purchasing a truck from China, thorough research, understanding the specific manufacturer, and checking user reviews are crucial steps to making an informed decision.
Le天！
都买件，都买件，都买件，都买件。哎，小货开起来了个。
Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel to follow the newest and most attractive videos that are continuously updated on my YouTube channel. Goodbye and see you again.